Hey everybody, Dion Wood here. Just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to print up those clever badges. These are especially useful for the younger students, so they can just hold up the QR code to the webcam and they'll be instantly logged into their own Clever account. So when you come up on Clever, you'll be in the applications and you want to go over to classes. Make sure that you click on your class name. And right up at the top, download class set of badges. Now, it takes just a moment for it to download. So you want to go down and show in folder. Sorry, my computer's a little slow today. Go ahead and scroll down and open the file. And voila, individual clever badges with QR codes for all those students. This is especially helpful, like I said, for the younger students. And I like to, of course, print 3 sets. I cut them out and make individual cards for the students, and then I keep a backup set for myself, as well as another set that I can have the aides use if they need to help the students at all. So again, just a really quick tip on how to print those clever badges. I hope you guys have a great day and we'll see you soon.